Alright, so hi guys. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to go over this problem. Oh, and I forgot to draw the... I'm sorry guys, hold on. Give me a second. Alright, so sorry about that guys. So we are given this inequality. So it says to graph the given inequality, the inequality given in standard form. So, we have 2x minus 3y is less than negative 9. So, let's go ahead and write it down. Or actually, we already have it written down. So, here what we want to do is we want to solve for y. Okay, so how do we do that? Number one, we're going to subtract 2x on both sides. And sorry for my handwriting, guys. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Minus 2x on both sides. We get negative 3y is less than negative 2x minus 9. And then number 2, we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by negative 3. And so the thing is, guys, when you divide by a negative number, the inequality symbol flips over. Sorry. So here we're going to go ahead and so we're going to have y is less than, so it's going to be 2/3 x, and then the negative 9 over negative 3, that's going to be plus 3. So this is how we would have it in the, kind of like in where, you have it solved for y. So we're going to go ahead and graph this as if it were a normal, equation, except we want to know that if it's less than or equal to, it's a dashed line. So less than or equal to, greater than, less than, if it's less than, it's a dashed line, or greater than, it's a dashed line. So they also call it dotted line. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just graph this, and I'm going to put it in yellow. So y is less than 2x, 2/3 x plus 3, right? So let me just, is less than 2/3 x plus 3. And now, so we're going to put our y-intercept at 3, okay? And so we're going to go 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. So, so this is going to be our second point here, right? And then let's do it again. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So remember, the slope just means rise over run. So we're going down, down 2 and to the right 3. And actually, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm sorry. It's not down 2. It's up 2. Excuse me. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, guys. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So you're just following that kind of pattern. And then one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So these are some of the points that we have here. And that is to the right of the line of the y-axis, excuse me. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and do down 2 and to the left 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, we have this kind of line here, and what I'm gonna do is I am gonna draw, and this is not gonna be drawn perfectly, right? But I'm gonna draw just some, some dashed lines, and I'm drawing it as perfect or as accurate as I can. So I know I don't have a ruler here like I do with OneNote, so bear with me. So as you can see, and you can put like a little arrow here, arrows at the ends. And now we want to know where, so where do we dash? I mean, where do we shade? What do we dash? So basically, so dash, I'm sorry, shade above or below. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my goodness. So to do this, we're gonna grab a point. So pick a point. And test on the inequality formula. So here, let's pick a point. We're gonna pick, let's go ahead and pick 0, 6, right? So 0, 6. So here, let's go ahead and do that. So y is less than 2/3 x plus 3. And we know that x equals 0 and y equals 6, right? So like this. And so we're going to test it. So test this, right? So it's going to go 6. Is this less than 2/3 times 0 plus 3, right? And so we can say that 6 is, so here we can say the following: 6 is 6 less than 3, okay? And actually, give me a second, guys. Oh my goodness, guys, I am so sorry. This is supposed to be greater than. Lord. Okay, so what you're gonna do, so yeah, this is supposed to be greater than. I'm sorry. I am so sorry, guys. I keep making mistakes. Actually, here. So is it greater than, 2/3 times 0 plus 3? So we have 6 greater than 0 plus 3, which is 6 greater than 3. So we can verify and we can say for sure that that is true, right? So we know that because of this, right, we're gonna have, it's basically gonna be shaded above. So we know that thus it will be shaded above. So shade above, because that satisfies this point here of 0, 6 satisfies the inequality. So we shade this entire area. So we're gonna just go ahead and shade this entire area, right? Oops. Okay, and so that is how we would graph this inequality, guys. I'm sorry for the minor typos or the minor errors that I did. But yes, that is how we would graph this following inequality given in standard form. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. If anybody has any questions, please let me know. And thank y'all so much for watching, and please like, comment, or subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.